Rate That Waiver is back, huh? Rate That Waiver is back, huh? Whoa, it is a nice day, man. Finally, I brought Rate That Waiver back. And we call this Rate That Waiver 2, okay? And the reason why I call it Rate That Waiver 2 is because, you know, last year we had, I invented something called Rate That Waiver, okay? This right here is basically the part 2, you feel me? So I stopped doing it for a while. I said, fuck it, I ain't gonna do no more. I ain't gonna write no more people. A lot of you guys, you know, still be telling me to this day, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. So I decided to bring it back, okay? So Rate That Waiver is back. Rate That Waiver 2, alright? So it's about to go down, man. We're about to rate a whole gang of people. I already told you guys how to participate in the Rate That Waiver, okay? So, if you guys enjoy, it's okay. You got next week. I drop it every Sunday. Alright, so we're about to rate a lot of waivers right now, man. Let's go on IG and let's get it. Let's go.
I'm so wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. Wavy.
Alright, so we on Instagram right now, and I told you guys to hashtag Rate That Waiver 2. Okay, the number 2. To participate in the Rate That Waiver, alright? So, you guys pay attention, man, and you guys follow, you know what I'm saying, directions on how to fucking join, then y'all should be right here. You feel me? And I told y'all, whoever I rate a 10, I'm gonna follow them right away, right now. Okay, I'm gonna follow y'all, because I don't follow too many people, but I'll follow you for a fact, because you put in that work and you get a number 10. But if you don't get a number 10, if you don't get rated a 10, don't trip. It's always, don't use this as motivation, okay? It's always going to be another time, the next time, the next time, the next time. I'm gonna keep doing it weekly, so this should motivate you guys to next time say I'm gonna get a 10. You feel me? Put that brushwork in. That's all it is. All right, so let's go, man. We're gonna go from the top post first. All right, I'm gonna work our way down. All right, so let's go. Whoo, yeah. I like style right there. I like style right there, man. Bro dipping. Bro is definitely dipping. Let's go for it. Let's make this up more, man. When it's so close. So close, man. Alright, do it like this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Just like that. Alright. So yeah, bro. This right here, from what I see, I'm gonna go through this shit fast too, because there's a lot of people that gotta be rated. You feel me? So I'm not gonna make it all long and shit. You know what I mean? I try to make it as fast as I can. All right. At the same time, don't rush it really like that. You know what I mean? So I'm getting this right here. This right here, to me, it looks like a 9. It's like a 9. You know, I see a fork right there. I see a fork right there. But the shine is on point. The shape is on point. The connections definitely is in flow. So I give that a 9. Alright, so 7, bro. 7. Wave Man Steve, what's up, bro? Hey, okay, this must be you again. I know, bro. You know the code, bro. You know to post twice if you want to. You know what I'm saying? If you really want to get ready, nigga, you post more than once. You gonna see me, bro. You gonna see me, PB. I see you, bro. Anyways, man, from what I see right here, man, this looks like a man, he definitely put in work, man. I'm giving him a 10, bro. Wave Man Steve, you finally hit a 10, bro. I remember you from last, you feel me? From the last Rate That Waiver and whatnot, and what I see, man, you definitely has put in work since last time, man. You worked your way up, bro, definitely. This right here is a 10. Okay, so I'll give you a follow. Boom. 10. See, I followed you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't bluffing. You know what I mean? Alright. Okay. Damn, that shit look clean. Yeah. That shit look clean. Why you hiding your mustache, nigga? They fucked up on your mustache? Why you hiding your face for? I was fucking with you, man. Yeah, man. Alright, I get that a 9. I get that a 9 too. That's a nice pattern too, bro. That looks real nice, actually. Okay, so this right here, nice little crown shot. I get this a 7. Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm putting in work. 6. Same guy. Yeah. Okay. Nice, nice. I get that a 9 as well. It's a 9. That is a 9. Okay, so now we on the most recent post. So this dude just posted 58 minutes ago. Okay. So definitely a beginner. I see you trying to put in that work. I give you a 5. You know, if your wave's not up to par yet, you can still generate that waiver, but just be prepared to be getting rated low, a lower number, because it's not fair to rate you guys higher just because you're a beginner. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. So you can join, but just know you'll get rated low if your waves are not up there with these other waivers. If you're not an elite waiver, you know what I mean? But like I say, don't make this seem like, oh, you know, don't make this discourage you, bro. You use it as motivation, as a positive standpoint. You know what I'm saying? So yes, that's that. All right, nice. Straight hair waiver. Okay. Real nice. I get out of 6. Your connections, once they get a little better, you get rated higher for sure. You got a 6. Same guy. Who's that? Rich Homie Quan? No, I spoke with you. Okay, the picture's very blurry. I get it a 5. I can't really see. Sorry. I get at a 5 as well. I can't really see it. So if you want to get rated better and higher, you got to make sure that you post a clearer picture, bro. You feel me? Have somebody else take it for you, bro. Also, make sure your angle's on point. I got a video that I've done in the past on how to take pictures of your 360 waves. So you can just Google that, I'll come up. Alright. Alright, so this right here. Okay. I see ya, nigga. I get that right there. 8. Nice connections. My guy, the straight hair waiver. I see you, bro. Nice. I feel this. It's an 8 right here, man. Get your definition more on point. When things start to really like look like ruffled chips. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like just look real deep. You'll get it higher, rated higher. As far as your connections, they're on point. But you know, I know it's kind of hard to get your definition on point because you have more of a straighter hair texture, but it's possible, bro. I haven't seen it before, so use that as motivation, man. And yes, that's an 8. Did I write that an 8? I think I said an 8. Well, if I didn't say an 8, it's an 8. Okay, that's how I feel now. All right. So next, keep me pushing. Next up, nice, real nice. That's a 7. Get out of 7. Ooh. I see what I see. That looks real nice. Oh yeah, he putting in that work, bro. It's hard too because look, he got this. It's going from the crown. Look how many waves this is, bro. So it's hard to like become flawless with all these damn waves right here. You know, you're gonna have more forks with that much. And he's a Corsair waiver, but he's still putting in that work, bro. This right here is a 10, bro. This right here is a 10. Okay, I'll give you a follow. This is a 10. I gotta make sure I take pictures of the people I give 10s because I want to make sure that I shot them out as well later on. So I'm gonna take a picture of Immortal. You know what I'm saying? JMD. I'll take a picture of you. Boom. Snap. Got you. Followed you. Bam. Just know you got hit a 10. Hit with a 10. Actually, I said I'm gonna follow you right now because if I do follow you right now, you're gonna know that I hit you. I gave you a 10. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. But just know next time I ain't gonna follow y'all until after the video is over, because I know y'all know, like, damn, I got a 10. Nah, it's all good. Okay, let's go to the other person so I can take a picture of him. His waves. Oh yeah, I already know who it is, Wayman Steve, but I'll still take a picture of him though. Alright, boom. That way I won't forget. You feel me? That's how we gonna do that. But as y'all can see, it's 145 people, so I can't rate everybody, man. Unless I just rush through it. You know, but it's okay though. Y'all get ready next time. You feel me? It's okay. It's okay. Nice. Can't really see it though, bro. I got a 7. This must be the same dude. I can tell by the head. Yeah, that's a 7. Nice. Okay. Okay. Get a 6. A 6 as well. I gotta moisturize your hair, man. Moisturize your hair, especially if you Corsair waver, man. Just because we a Corsair waver, we don't want our waves to look all matted and nappy and shit. You feel me? We want to make it still look moisturizing, looks good. You know what I mean? Look clean and everything. It's kind of hard, you know. But I know it's kind of hard, but you have to put in more work. It's okay. We gonna all get there, all right? So right here, 6. Nice. Dark Corsair waves, bro. I get out of 8. No, 9. I get out of 9, bro. That shit it looks nice. Okay, right here, 6. Nice. 8. Give you an 8, bro. 6. Damn, my girl will be calling me right now too. Hello? Yeah, I'm in the middle of this right that waiver right now. I'm gonna hit you back. So just know you on the video. Alright, boy. Alright, so ropes gotta get them connections on point, huh? Okay, I see. Okay. Yeah, a 6, bro. Nice. Keep putting in that work, man. Keep putting in that work. Also, you guys, just because you got rated this time, you guys can go again next week. You could go every week if you want. I rate y'all every time. You feel me? If I get to you, because like I say, there's a lot of people who want to be rated, so you know you gotta wait your turn. You know what I'm saying? But you know, just try though. Okay, so this right here, this like a 7. I get out a 7. I can't see, bro. I can't see, bro. I can't really see, man. Like what's happening, man? I can't really see that, man. You gotta take better pictures, bro. You know what I'm saying? I get out a 5, bro. Can't really see. Yeah, it's a 5 too. It's too close. Sorry. I'm gonna rate y'all still. This road getting better and better. Nice. Okay. 7. Alright, we go right here. I think I've rated him already. Looking like Chris Rock. Chris Rock had that? No, it's fucking true. I mean Chris Tucker. Chris Tucker had that? Alright, I get out of 8. It look like about an 8 to me. Can't really see as well, but from what I see, it look like the connection's on point. You gotta work that crown a little more. Work that crown more, your shit'll be right. Word. Nice. Nice connections. You got your taper high. That's how you like it. For sure. Yeah, man, it's real nice. Short haircut, you know what I mean? You start woofing, man. Getting the woofing stages, start combing and shit. Get the connections on point. But from what I see, it has to be a 7. Alright. 7. Another 7. Another 7. So let's see. Okay, swirl back. Slant, little slightly slant in the back. Look nice. Going with the swirl and shit. Okay, I get at an 8. Looks nice. That's an 8. Good shit, good shit. I'm gonna rate 2 more people, and then next week I'm gonna start from here. Okay? Because you see, this is where this is how I remember. All right, I'm gonna take a picture right here of this. That way, next week I'll start from here, and I can just go all the way straight down, and then I'll also I'll follow up from the other new people too. So everybody will get rated for sure. I don't want to miss nobody, but it's just gonna take probably like a week or so or whatever if you don't get rated today. It's so cool though, bro. Just have patience. You won't get rated, okay? You know what I mean? Everybody want to get rated, so that's just how it be. But shit, don't trip. You gonna get rated. Your turn will come. Your time will definitely come. All right, definitely. Okay. 7. This right here, Corsair gang. I'm loving how I'm seeing all my Corsair people, man, joining. Not even giving up, just going and joining anyways. If you feel like you just Corsair gang, bro. Corsair waiver. Hey, you doing your shit, man. Y'all doing y'all shit. Good. Big ups to y'all, man. Cause I know the struggle, bro. I'm a Corsair waiver too. I know the struggle. It gets irritated. It makes you just want to quit. It makes you just feel discouraged and all that. That's okay. Keep moving that brush. Keep your hair moisturized. Find an all natural product, all natural shampoo, butters, everything all natural. Your shit get more healthier. Okay. Wash. You know what I'm saying? Get a good wash routine popping. And you're gonna be Gucci. Trust me. This right here, man, I will give this a 8. I like it. I give it an 8, man. Alright. So with that being said, man, next week, you see, we're gonna start from here. Okay, we're gonna start from here. You know what I'm saying? If y'all didn't see this video, y'all sleeping, bro. Go right now on my Instagram, click the link. Also, you don't have to go on Instagram. You're already on YouTube. What the f I'm talking about? You're already on YouTube right now. Just go to my last video and watch it, man. You guys can see how I washed my kids 360 waves, bro. The wash method was epic. The video was epic, period. Everything I put out, you already know it's gonna be litty. Go check it out. Watch it, alright? Alright. So anyway, so I'll start from here next week. Alright, from here. I'm so wavy. We'll go from here and I'll go all the way down. I'll rate the rest of these people all the way down. Okay? So that's not a lot of more people. Okay? So we'll rate the rest of them people. And then also next week, make sure you guys, you know, hashtag rate that waiver too. Also make sure you hashtag PB gang, and also make sure you follow me. And I will start from there, and then I'll you know, we'll start, and then when I start get done rating them, the new people from next week will get rated as well. Don't trip, bro. You'll get rated, all right? I don't want you guys to feel like, oh, I'm not joining because I'm not gonna get rated. You are. You see, I just rated a lot of people right there. There's still more people to go. I can't keep the video long, extra long. Y'all feel what I'm saying? I gotta feel me, man. You gotta feel me. Anyways, with that being said, man, I feel like I'm too close into this camera, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's it for the video, man. You already know what it is, man. Like the video, subscribe. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. Let me know how y'all feel about the rate that waiver this one. Y'all feel like it was litty or what? Also, make sure y'all let me know if I rated them pretty good. I feel like I did a good job. You know what I'm saying? This is how I feel about it. I don't know how y'all feel about it. You know what I'm saying? It was only 2 people that got a 10, right? Yeah, that got a 10. 2 people. Okay, 2 people. It's cool. You'll get a 10 next time. Move that brush, use it as motivation, and we gonna all get there, man. But with that being said, man, subscribe, and if you're great, they gonna hate. Ha. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy.